Today we're going to try something different. So I did an internet search of different pasture feeders and I kept coming up with hay nets and hay bags. And I remembered that I already have 2 hay nets. I usually use these in the horse trailer when we travel. So I hung 2 hay nets out here to see if the horses would eat out of them. Because it does get pretty windy here, so I'm thinking the hay nets might help save the hay. But the horses seem to like eating on the ground a little bit better. And I only have 2 hay nets, so I'll have to go buy a couple more. But we'll try it out and see how it goes. It took a few minutes, but one of the horses did start to eat out of the hay net.